Artie McYarty, here with another one. Hey folks, it's that time. Time to get cleaned up and trimmed up, ready for the holidays. Let's do it. Alright, let's take care of some bugs around the perimeter using Demand CS in my tank sprayer. Happy to report, looking like my azaleas are popping. And check out the latest two right here. And check out the previous two that had that major lace bug problem. They had all that white and browning on the leaves. Now I can see new foliage. I can see green. And dare I say I can see some new blooms starting to poke through. I think we saved these bad boys. Neem oil to the rescue.